In this video, I'm going to show you how to chat with PDF documents using DeepSeek AI. Okay, DeepSeek is a free Chinese AI tool that can do quite a lot for you. Now, once you are logged into your DeepSeek, you can do instant chatting or you can do expert chatting, which is going to give you deep thinking. Okay, so like deep research. But for now, we're going to use the instant, and I'm going to add in the PDF document that I want to chat with. All right, so I've just imported this, and I'm going to ask it to give me three major takeaways from this paper. I can just go ahead and hit on enter, and you can be surprised how detailed it is going to give me. So you can see directly it has given me my three major takeaways. I can give it follow-up questions as well. Can you explain figure 1 in the paper? You can see very detailed. I'm unable to locate figure 1. What it is after careful reviewing the file document, the figures are explicitly mentioned and described include figure plate 1. Okay, let's say figure 2 now. Can you explain figure 2.0? Can you explain figure 2.0? Let's say, yeah, it is going to go through, explain everything. So you can see how detailed this can be and what it is generating for us, and very fast with key details. So can you summarize the methods used in the paper, for example, and just hit on enter, and you'll be able to see that it is giving us a quick summary of all the methods that were used in the paper. Okay, you can see everything contained in here. You can copy this, you can regenerate, also you can share directly if you are interested. So please go ahead, chat with any PDF directly. It could be 1, it could be 2, it could be more than 3. You can upload as many as you want, provided the size. You can upload up to 50 files, not more than 100 megabytes each. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.